In this in-depth visual comparison, we explore how the all-new 2026 Audi Q3 stacks up against the outgoing 2025 model, bringing you shots from both generations, covering exterior design, interior layout, driving impressions, and the overall evolution of Audi's premium compact SUV. The third-generation Q3 brings a bold new look that aligns more closely with Audi's latest design philosophy. At the front, the new octagonal single-frame grille is wider and flatter, flanked by split headlamps, a signature trait of the brand's higher-tier models. High-gloss black trim and sharply contoured air inlets amplify the SUV's dynamic character. New pixel LED daytime running lights not only add a futuristic flair, but are now customizable via the MMI system. The entire silhouette is more planted, thanks to slightly increased width and a lower roofline, creating a sportier, coupe-like stance. Optional 20-inch wheels fill the arches nicely, while sculpted body lines bring energy from every angle. The rear section is adorned with optional digital OLED rear lights, complemented by a continuous LED light strip and the illuminated rings. This level of lighting technology offered in the new Audi Q3 is available for the first time in the Audi compact segment. While still elegant and premium, the 2025 Q3 features a more conservative appearance. The previous gen single-frame grille is taller and less angular, with traditional LED headlights and fewer dynamic contours. It feels more upright and practical, with softer curves and a more family-oriented design language. The 2026 Q3 is a bold evolution, sleeker, more refined, and visually aligned with the Q4 e-tron and Q6 family. It elevates the Q3 nameplate into more premium territory. Step inside the third-gen Q3, and you're greeted by a dramatically reworked cabin. The panoramic display with 11.9-inch instrument cluster and 12.8-inch MMI touch display forms the so-called digital stage. Its curved design creates a driver-oriented cockpit layout. Audi is thus transferring the digital stage from the full-size class to the compact segment. A head-up display for important information supplements the digital displays. Flat door handles and a modern, uncluttered console underscore the feeling of space and comfort. Climate controls have gone digital, while ambient lighting and high-quality trim levels, including new S-Line and interior packages, raise the bar for fit and finish. One of the most notable changes is the new steering column-mounted gear selector, freeing up space on the center console for storage, wireless charging, and updated cup holder layouts. The older Q3 already offered a solid cabin with high-quality materials and a blend of analog and digital controls. Its 10.1-inch central touchscreen and physical HVAC dials were appreciated for practicality, then now feel slightly dated. The cabin design was symmetrical but more traditional, with physical gear selectors and a chunkier center console layout. The entry-level model in the new Audi Q3 family is Audi Q3 SUV TFSI 110kW, a four-cylinder gasoline engine with mild hybrid technology and standard 7-speed S-tronic. It delivers 150 PS of power. The highlight of the 1.5 TFSI is the cylinder on-demand system. It temporarily shuts down the second and third cylinders at low and medium loads. The most powerful of the combustion engines is the Audi Q3 SUV TFSI Quattro, 195 kW with Quattro drive. A 2-liter 4-cylinder engine with the 7-speed S-tronic is responsible for propulsion. It delivers 265 PS and 400 Nm of torque to all four wheels. The Audi Q3 SUV TDI 110 kW is particularly suitable for driving long distances. It rolls off the line with front-wheel drive and 7-speed S-tronic as standard. Its 150 PS and 360 Nm of torque ensure low fuel consumption on long journeys. The plug-in hybrid PHEV is equally predestined for long distances, but with electric support. It is more powerful and more efficient than ever before.